In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of an image in Canva. To get started, open your design in Canva so you're on the project where you want to make the edit. Once your design is open, add the image you want to work with. You can either upload a photo from your device or select one that's already in your Canva project. Make sure the image is placed on the canvas and selected, because Canva's editing tools only appear when the photo is active. Next, look at the top toolbar and click Edit. This will open Canva's image editing options and give you access to tools designed for quick visual adjustments. If you don't see the full set of options right away, just make sure the image itself is selected and not another element in your design. After that, move to the left side panel and choose Magic Eraser. This is the tool Canva uses to remove parts of an image while blending the surrounding area as naturally as possible. It's especially useful when you want to clean up distractions in a photo or remove an object without needing advanced photo editing software. Once Magic Eraser opens, you'll see different ways to select the area you want to erase. The available options include brush, click, foreground, and letter. You can choose whichever method fits your image best, but in this example, use the brush option. The brush gives you the most control, especially when you want to target a specific part of the photo manually. Before you start painting over the image, adjust the brush size. A smaller brush is usually better for detailed areas, while a larger brush can help you cover bigger sections more quickly. After choosing the right size, brush over the part of the image you want to remove. Try to stay as accurate as possible so Canva knows exactly what area should be erased. When your selection looks right, go back to the left panel and click Erase. Canva will then begin processing the edit. You'll notice a scanning effect on the photo along with a loading indicator in the left panel. At this stage, just wait a moment for the tool to finish. The result will appear automatically once Canva completes the removal. And that's it. That's how to erase part of an image in Canva. If needed, you can always repeat the process to refine the result and clean up any remaining areas.